Welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about optimization problems in computer science. So, what exactly is an optimization problem? In simple terms, it's a problem where we want to find the best possible solution from a set of possible solutions. If they want you to minimize or maximize something while solving your problem, that means that this problem is an optimization problem actually. Let me give you an example. Imagine you want to travel from point A to point B. There are several possible ways to do that, right? You could go by ferry, you could drive a car, or you could take a plane. Each of these is a valid solution to the problem of getting from A to B. Now let's say we want to add an extra requirement. We want to cover this journey with the minimum cost. And suddenly, this becomes an optimization problem because we are trying to minimize something. Suppose that after checking all options, we discover that going by ferry gives us the lowest cost. So, that solution, the ferry, is what we call the optimal solution because it is the best one according to our objective. Now, this raises an important question. How can we solve these problems algorithmically? Which is our nightmare, basically. In computer science, we have several strategies to do that. First one is the dynamic programming. It is actually breaking the problem into smaller sub-problems and then combining their solutions to get the final results. The second one is a greedy method. It is making the best choice at each step with the hope that it leads to an optimal solution. And the last one is branch and bound. Systematically exploring possible solutions but eliminating paths that can't possibly lead to an optimal answer. So we can think it as an experimental process actually. In future videos, we will dive into these strategies in detail with examples and applications. However, that's it for today's introduction to optimization problems. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the upcoming lessons. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.